Hi, fifth graders, how you doing? I hope you did great on your test yesterday. I want to go over what you're going to do today. Please watch this and follow along because I feel some are still having questions, okay? So remember, every day, the first thing you do is you come to my Google Classroom page. You're going to look at the stream page and you're going to read the schedule for the day. It tells you exactly what to do and in the order to do it and so forth. So today, Thursday, April 9th, schedule. 1, watch this video that I've attached. 2, answer the attendance check-in question, and that's going to be in the attendance folder on the classwork page. Study for your root words test. And when you're ready, take your root words test. It's due by the end of the day. You guys, when you take that root words test, really look at those context clues. A lot of people really aren't, and they're being tricked, and they're not thinking thoughtfully about their answers. Those context clues mean everything. Then you're going to open the notes for Chapter 2 of The Outsiders in the Outsiders folder in classwork. You're going to open up your character notes that you started taking notes on. You don't turn these into me. So if you did turn them into me, I resubmitted them to you. Don't turn them in until the end of the book, because throughout the book, you're going to be taking notes on the characters. All right. And then you're going to open up Chapter 2 of The Outsiders in Kami again. And I'm just going to review how to do that again here in just a second. And then Chapter 2 in the notes, it's not due until you get back on Tuesday, April 14th by 8 in the morning. Okay. So don't worry about anything. Make sure you do not turn in your character notes to me. Don't turn in anything. These are for you for testing and for understanding the book and for book talks that we're going to be doing soon. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do, since you watched the video, now you're going to go to classwork. You're going to go down to attendance and you're going to click on today's question. And today's question is, are you ready for your root words test today? If not, study, okay? And then when you're done with that, you will then go into, root words. And now you're going to take your root word test. And it's root words number 2. And I apologize. Okay, here we go. Sorry. Okay, so root words test number 2. Take that test. And then you're going to open up Chapter 2 notes for The Outsiders. And I just want to look at this real quick with you, okay? Chapter 2 notes of The Outsiders. While reading Chapter 2, continue to take notes about the characters. If you turn them into me, I return them to you. Characters to take notes on in Chapter 2 are Cherry. You're going to be introduced to as Soch, Johnny, and Daly, okay? Then you're going to tell me, how does Daly treat Cherry, and how does she react to him? On page 24 and 25, what does Johnny do that no one else can do with Daly? And how does Johnny feel about Daly? Answers are on that those pages. Page 27, what does Cherry say about Daly to Ponyboy? That is surprising. And why are Cherry and Marcia without a card? Page 30, when Daly brings each of the girls a soda, contrast what Cherry does with the pop and what Marcia does with the pop. Remember what that word contrast means. Page 32 and 33, how did Daly react when he saw Johnny beaten by the Sochas? And then 2, what kind of car were the Sochas driving that beat up Johnny? It's important because it's actually a symbol in the book. Page 34, what effect did the Sochas attack have on Johnny? You'll be writing that, and that's going to get you all prepared for your test when you get back as well. Okay. Now I'm going to go here and we're going to go to Chapter 2 of The Outsiders. And I just want to review how you want to open it up in Kami. Click on it. Click this here. And if it doesn't say open with Kami on here, again, you go to the 3 dots. You go to open in a new window. And then you come up here, open with, annotate with Kami. And I gotta fly. Do that and do by the time you get back. Have a great day.